Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on the overall arrangement for this track. Now, the first thing we want to do is kind of build into the breakdown into the build up. So we want to start off with some keys. Let's do the original chords that we were going to work with here. And I believe we can just copy this MIDI data right here. Yeah, it's the same chords. Okay, so we have this grand piano that we were working with earlier. Let's go ahead and use that one just for now. We might change it. Let's see how these sound right here. Okay, those are pretty good. I like that. Let's go ahead and move you guys over here. And we might not need you until later, so let's create some room here. Now, I want to kind of make a more intimate vibe here with these chords, and the grand piano is good. It's good, you know, you can add third-party processing onto it and it can sound pretty good, but I think we can get even more unique here. So let's go ahead and create a new MIDI track, and I'm going to add in an instance of Kontakt 6 here, and we're going to add in a new one of my favorites. Actually, it's called Ascend by Heaviosity. This is a really large instrument. I think it's like 30 gigs or something. So it might take a while to load. If it does, I'll just pause the video and we'll resume when it loads. Let's find out. Oh, well, that loaded pretty quickly. Okay, cool. So this is Ascend by Heaviosity, a really, really cool instrument. The reason why is because it's not just a piano. They add all these textures and sounds with the key. And I'll show you an example right here. Let's go ahead and copy the chords down and solo it just so you can hear it by itself real quick. So you hear what I mean? So there's textures and like atmosphere behind each key. Now, if I wanted to do just the piano keys and like with, you know, have the emphasis on that, I could drag it all the way over here. And that's pretty good too. That sends off a really good vibe. I'm really liking that. But we can try to go even further here. Let's try some different presets here. For instance, we can try hypercompression, I believe. This one might take a while. Yeah, it looks like it's freezing on me, so I'll just pause it. We'll resume when it starts up again. Hold on. Okay, so there we go. So yeah, sometimes these bigger instruments from Kontakt take a while to load. It doesn't really matter how fast your computer is. Just sometimes it just takes a while. Okay, so let's try this one. It's pretty good. I'm liking that. Okay. Try combining the two. Let's lower this guy. Maybe try one with a higher octave. I kind of like that one. That's pretty good. Okay, so now we can try adding in the timed out chords. I believe I still have a copy of them somewhere, hopefully. I didn't erase them accidentally. I do not want to have to recreate those again. These ones. Okay, so we do still have it. That's good. Okay, so So we could start the timing of the timed chords right here. So it fades in, or it, sorry, not fades, but it goes into it like so. Or we could even have this piano be the timed chords and this one just be the sustained chords.